Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn the eating habits of animals. Based on the feeding habits, animals are classified as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers and decomposers. Now let's see them in detail. Features of herbivores. They are adapted for ripening as well as grinding. Their premolar and molar have flat, broad surfaces with many folds to grind plant materials. They have sharp incisors to bite off plants. Examples of herbivorous animals: rhinoceros, cow, elephant, giraffe and yak. Features of carnivores. They are adapted for shearing the flesh. Sharp and pointed canines to tear off large pieces of flesh. They have sharp premolar and molar called carnivorous teeth with sharp and uneven edges. These teeth are well suited to slice the flesh and bones of the prey. Lion, shark, penguin, eagle and wolf are examples of carnivorous animals. Features of omnivorous. They are adapted for eating plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Blade-like incisors to bite, sharp canines to tear, flatter and broader molars, premolars to chew the food. Now, let's see examples of carnivorous animals. Dog, squirrel, monkey, bear and turtle. Now, what are we going to see? Yes, scavengers and decomposers. Scavengers are organisms that feed mainly on dead and decaying animal and plant matter. Decomposers are organisms that obtain nutrients by breaking down the remains of dead organic matter. Friends, do you know what is this? Yes, it is fungi. Fungi is one example of decomposers. Now, let's see examples of scavengers. Earthworm, vulture, termite, hyena and jackal. Now, fill in the blanks provided. All the best, friends. Dash are adapted for ripening and grinding. Herbivores are adapted for ripening as well as grinding. Scavengers are organisms that feed mainly on dash and plants matter. Dead and decaying animals and plants matter. Dash is an example of decomposers. Think and answer, friends. Very good. Fungi is an example of decomposers. Carnivores have sharp premolar and molar called dash. Carnivores have sharp premolar and molar called carnivorous teeth. Dash are adapted for eating plants as well as the flesh of other animals. What are they? Yes, omnivores are adapted for eating plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Okay friends, that's all for today. Before you quit this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Meet you soon with a new video. Bye.